Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering everything in the right order. Plug the Arctis Pro wireless base station into AC power and turn it on, then ensure both headset batteries have at least a 50% charge. Once done, press the base station's sync or pairing button and put the headset in pairing mode so they link. Make sure the base station display shows a connected headset. Finally, plug your Ps4 controller into the headset with the 3.5 cable for game chat routing. Now configure the Ps4 so audio flows correctly. You go to Settings, then Devices, then Audio Devices. Set the input device to the headset if it appears as a USB device, or choose headset connected to controller when using the 3.5 cable. Set output to headphones, all audio so both game and chat come through the headset. Then adjust the output to headphones volume around 70 to 80% and test with in-game audio. This ensures correct routing. Finish by balancing game and chat on the base station's mix dial so you hear the game without drowning out chat. Adjust side tone to monitor your voice. Make sure the base station's USB cable is firmly connected to the Ps4. Sometimes swapping USB ports fixes detection. If you hear nothing, power cycle the base station and headset, then reset pairing by holding the sync buttons for 5 to 10 seconds. If chat still fails, verify Ps4 privacy and microphone access settings to allow voice input.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.